Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the American Express mobile app to see if it's worth using for managing your Amex account. From tracking spending to redeeming rewards, we'll cover its features, benefits, and any drawbacks. The American Express app offers a sleek and user-friendly experience, giving cardholders full control over their accounts. The dashboard provides an overview of your balance, transactions, and payment due dates. If you have multiple Amex cards, switching between them is seamless, making account management more convenient. One of the best features of the app is its rewards system. If you earn membership rewards points or cash back, you can view your balance and redemption options directly in the app. You can redeem points for statement credits, travel, gift cards, and more. The Amex Offers section provides exclusive deals that can help you save money or earn extra rewards when shopping at select retailers. Security is another strong aspect of the app. It supports Face ID and fingerprint login for fast, secure access. You can instantly freeze a lost or stolen card and request a replacement within the app. Real-time transaction alerts help you stay on top of purchases and quickly detect any suspicious activity. For payments and account management, the app lets you pay your bill, set up autopay, and even split transactions with other Amex cardholders. You can also check your FICO credit score for free and track your spending with detailed insights. However, one downside is the lack of live chat support, meaning you'll need to call customer service for assistance. Overall, the American Express app is a great tool for cardholders, offering an intuitive way to manage accounts, track rewards, and enhance security. While the lack of live chat could be a drawback, its features make it a valuable companion for Amex users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.